Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu addresses convocation of Govind Ballabh Pant Agriculture and Technology University in Uttarakhand. "60% voting recorded for first phase of assembly elections in Chhattisgarh and 69% voter turnout recorded till 3 p.m. in Mizoram. Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides organized Rajya Puraskar Rally and Bharat Scouts and Guides Foundation Day. Government of Meghalaya, with the support of World Health Organization, organized Northeast India Tuberculosis Free Summit. And with the help of information technology and artificial intelligence, government has started mapping of every patient. Now the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu addressed the 35th convocation of Govind Ballabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology in Udham Singh Nagar district of Uttarakhand. She arrived in Uttarakhand today on a 3-day visit to the state. The retired Governor of Uttarakhand, retired Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami and Cabinet Minister Ganesh Joshi also attended the ceremony. Graduate, postgraduate and post-PG degrees were bestowed on 1,134 students for the academic year 2022-23. Polling for the first phase of assembly elections in Chhattisgarh and single-phase polling in Mizoram was held today. In Chhattisgarh, voting is taking place for 20 seats. Most of these constituencies are in Naxal-affected areas. More than 60% voting was recorded till 3 p.m. in the state. 5,304 polling booths have been set up for this phase. In Mizoram, voting is taking place for all 40 assembly seats in a single phase today. Polling began at 7 a.m. and ended at 4 p.m. Over 69% voter turnout was recorded till 3 p.m. in the state. Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides today organized the Rajya Puraskar Rally and Bharat Scouts and Guides Foundation Day at Raj Bhavan. Meghalaya Governor Pagu Chauhan greeted the occasion and urged the Bharat Scouts and Guides to continue serving the society. The Governor, on the occasion, also gave away Rajya Puraskar certificates and Adult Learners Achieving certificates. A BSG flag was also released on the occasion.
खूबी हो रही है। हमारे भारत स्काउट और गाइड के बच्चों ने मिल के पत्थर तक पहुंचाने में अपना अथक प्रयास किया है, जिसके लिए मैं आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं और ये कामना करता हूं कि आप इसी तरह निरंतर आगे की तरफ बढ़ते रहें और मेघालय राज्य का नाम रोशन करते रहें।
On Monday, the Labour Room and Maternity Ward at Umroi Health and Wellness Centre were officially inaugurated by Daman Baitba Lamare, local MLA of Umroi constituency. The inauguration ceremony witnessed the presence of Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner Arpit Upadhyaya, local MDC R.R. Karbuki, along with several distinguished guests and local residents from Umroi. This significant development comes as a result of a collaborative effort with the Selco Foundation taking charge as one of the implementing agencies. An MOU was previously signed between the Selco Foundation and the Ribhoi District Administration under the Aspiration District Program Niti Aayog.
The Selco Foundation Kabupaten Yakamunsin Panyarap Banturung Bantunyo Yakani Gajaka Kapunturung Gulipurung Nakurman Skamiro Bahati Por Kisi Bansawan Pinang Nasusu Panos Niang Panyarap Bantun Punpoi Bantun Ai ya kejingerap ki prepare apa kini ketan kedong ni ngan kit kia banan wat kilat lenti ngan prestom bangikat bagol bala ngina ban upgrade ya kini ke sub center syaka PhD.
The government of Meghalaya, with the support of the World Health Organization, on Tuesday is organizing the Northeast India TB-Free Summit with the aim of establishing a tuberculosis-free zone in the Northeast region. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, said, healthcare has been one of the most important priorities of the government. In the last 6 years, they have continuously invested in the health sector on various fronts. He also launched the door-to-door mobile screening of tuberculosis and other lungs ailments using digital chest X-ray AI-based.
No matter how many doctors we have, no matter how many nurses we have, no matter how many ministers we have and how many officials we have, if your heart is not in the right place, if your mindset is not correct, nothing can happen. When we are taking up a mission, let us take it up with full commitment and passion.
With the help of information technology and artificial intelligence, Meghalaya government has started mapping of every patient in the state. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that this has started as a pilot project in Ribhoi district, where the health department has started maintaining the records of every patient so that the doctors have accessibility to it with the click of a button. No matter which hospital you go to, centralized information will allow the health official to get the medical history of the patient immediately. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma was addressing the gathering after the inauguration of the Northeast TB-Free Summit at Courtyard Marriott in the presence of Minister Health, Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo and Dr. Rodrigo H. Ofrin, WHO representative of WHO India.
The position of being the foremost.
We've started a program in Meghalaya where we've taken up Ribhoi district, where our representatives have gone and visited. We've started now mapping every patient, and we started maintaining the records of the patients so that the doctors have accessibility to it with a click of a button. And no matter which hospital you go to, the centralized information will allow the health official to be able to get the history of the patient immediately.
10 self-help groups in Ribhoi district, having successfully completed their training under the Aspirational District Program, received a grant of Rs 10 lakhs on Monday. This financial assistance is intended to support the establishment of poultry farming operations focused on egg production. The poultry farming of one of the SHG member, Birit Nongrum, which was established at Umden Umsait Pra village under Bhoirambong CNRD block, was officially inaugurated on this day by Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi, Arpit Upadhyaya, in the presence of Ramasrishan Chaturi, Joint Secretary of Finance and CEO of MSRLS, and other dignitaries along with the members of the SHGs. Employees of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council have been without salaries for 8 months. However, their patience ran out on Monday and over 500 employees gathered to protest the non-payment of their salaries. They hoisted black flags in the council's compound to express their anger. In response to the ongoing issue of unpaid salaries, President Johnson Porman of the JHEDC Staff Association has informed that after the conclusion of the winter session, they will stage a 3-day-long dharna. As part of Special Summary Revision 2024, the Office of the District Election Officer, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong, in collaboration with Meghalaya Model United Nations on Tuesday, organized an electoral literacy carnival and electoral debate on the motion, "One Nation, One Election is the most cost-efficient method of elections in India," at Anton Hall, Don Bosco Square, Shillong. The debate competition saw the participation of students from various schools and colleges from the district. Later, the Chief Electoral Officer, Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari, distributed prizes and certificates to the winners of the competition. The Saubhagya scheme, a central government initiative, has brought much-needed electricity to unelectrified households in rural areas of West Khasi Hills District. The scheme has provided free electricity connections and other facilities to residents, transforming their lives. Seatley residents who have benefited from the scheme express their gratitude to the government for providing free electricity. On the other hand, the residents are facing a new challenge in rising electricity bills. They are requesting the government to look into this matter and provide relief to those struggling to pay their bills.
Can it to pay?
Belah de cinta belah tebai bama cinta belah tebai skill belah tebai dawai bayi de cukup kepada surkar lah de tetapnya dunalan.
Moving on to the weather report, the temperature recorded in Shillong was at a maximum of 22.1 degrees Celsius and a minimum of 10.8 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 43 degrees, while as in the evening it was 54 degrees. The forecast for tomorrow's weather is most likely a dry weather. Before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu addresses convocation of Govind Ballabh Pant Agriculture and Technology University in Uttarakhand. "60% voting recorded for first phase of assembly elections in Chhattisgarh and 69% voter turnout recorded till 3 p.m. in Mizoram. Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides organized Rajya Puraskar Rally and Bharat Scouts and Guides Foundation Day. Government of Meghalaya, with the support of World Health Organization, organized Northeast India Tuberculosis Free Summit. And with the help of information technology and artificial intelligence, government has started mapping of every patient. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, have a good night.